Hey guys, welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome guys. Welcome to the hunt. Good morning. Christy, welcome. Alright, so I'm looking to get into Euro CHF. Alright. Let's just give you some minutes. Alright. So we'll see. Can happen any minute. Price is at the key level again. Alright. You guys see price has been rejecting the same key level over and over again. Alright, we're able to make some money on this one yesterday. So right now, since price broke it and we have this big rejection at this point here, so the level is still strong, price is still below the level, so I'm just going to wait for price to to tap it, and price already tapped, so I'm just waiting for entry so we can get in. This point here. So okay. All right. So let's take out this one. Let's clear this. Let's clear the charts. All right, so what I'm looking for now, because this is the high, all right, I just want price to take it out. I'm waiting for something like this, and then we have a break below. All right, so I'm looking for. Let's see how that goes. All right. But before then, let's check the news. Let's check the news. Okay, there's no news. There's no news for today. So the news is going to be tomorrow. There's no major news today. Wow, we don't have much news for this week. All right, I don't think we've had any major news this week. All right, Monday, Tuesday, no news. And then there's only news, major news on Thursday, which is unemployment. So that means we're good to go. All right, we're good to go. We just watch out. All right, we just watch out on Thursday tomorrow. Okay. Be on the lookout tomorrow. All right, price almost breaking. All right, let's just stop it, and then we start looking for entry. I think Euro CHF has been the only pair we've been trading. All right, we've traded. Okay, yes, we've only traded Euro CHF throughout this week. All right, till today. All right. Unlike last week we traded a bunch of pairs. We traded for traded over 15 times, and this week we've just been able to trade just twice. Very funny. As to tell you, market is unpredictable. We took over 15 trades last week, and this week we've just done 2. Well, I'm looking forward to getting into these guys too today. All right, we have GBP JPY. My level still remains the same. This point here. Let's wait for price to come tap it. I'm going to drop this one back down because I don't see the possibility for this one today. All right, but there's a strong possibility on GBP USD. Okay, so let's see if the market continues to be bullish. That will be good. Now the session just opened. This is just the open of London session. All right, so we still have a lot of candle to go today, so definitely we should be able to see some entry at this point here today. And then of course we have Euro USD as well. Okay, Euro USD is also very close. Remember, these are key levels in the market. That's why they are marked right there. The level that are serve as support and resistance and multiple bounce. So I'll wait at this point here for Euro USD. So we have GBP USD and Euro USD coming, okay? But for now, we're going to concentrate more on Euro CHF. All right. Okay, let's see. All right, now, so the I has been taken out. Good. Very good. All right. Now that the high has been taken out, the next thing to do now is to look for area of the area where price is going to break, and we're going to be getting into the trade. All right, I'm going to pick this point here. Let's pick here. Yeah, for now. All right, this is we're gonna make this place. This is mobile. All right, so we'll change it as price continues to progress up. But if price does not go up and price just comes back down, then we'll just get in right there. Okay, so I'll be looking to get in somewhere here. All right, stop loss somewhere around there. All right, so but I'm sure there's still going to be a swing. It's probably going to be like a little swing up and push back down before we have the break, something like that. So let's just see. Let's see how this one goes. All right, do you guys have any pair you want me to check out? Send it to me now. Let me check it out. If you have any pair you trade you want me to check out, just drop it on the comment section. And if you're on the live session, you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And also now I just want everybody to just drop any emoji, on the comment section. All right, please just drop that and just give this video a like so that, all right, all right. So what do I think about GBP card? All right, let's check it out. Okay, let's check GBP card. Let's check GBP card. Coming. Alright, if you guys are hearing some noise, alright, in the background, is because I'm operating on generator, so I'm doing the stream on generator. So you know how we do this, the normal in Africa, alright, so I mean some part of Africa, okay. I mean some places in Africa are way more advanced to some places, alright. So not advanced, but just more developed. Do I trade synthetic? No, I've not even checked it. I've heard about it a couple of times, but I've not checked it out. I don't know why I haven't checked it out, but we will see. We will see. I might look into that, but I think I'm more. I want to look into direction of crypto more, okay, so that we can trade on weekends. That's just it. I want to look into crypto more. So I think I'm currently working on trading stock now, looking for a perfect way I can approach it. I've been working on that, okay, but I would love to do crypto, so that Saturday and Sunday we can also trade. All right, I'm working on that though, so that will come live very soon. Not just for the money, actually, just for the fun of it. All right, it's interesting. Trading is interesting. So I don't trade synthetic. So let's check GBP card now. Let's check GBP card. GBP card. Okay. I think this is a strong level on GP card. Yep, that's a strong level on GP card. Yes, bounce, 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 and then you have multiple bounce right here. You know the situation right here too as well. Price constantly react to that point. Price always react to that point, okay. So this is a strong level on GBP card. All right, please note that I'm advising you based on my strategy. All right, if you have a different strategy you use, our analysis might be different, but the advice I'm giving is just based on what I do. All right, so for me, this is a strong level. I would look to scalp this point right here, okay. We'll look to scalp, just go down to 3 minutes, 1 minute. All right, but I don't trade GBP card. I've not even back tested on GBP card. So, and before I start trading any pair, I must have had the data of at least 6 month data. All right, the past 6 month data, all right, to show that what I want to do the system I want to use on it is working. All right, so before you apply my system or anything on any pair, please, especially the pairs that I don't trade, please make sure you backtest before you do it. Please backtest to know, so that you can have enough confidence, all right, in what you do. So that's it. But I think this level is a very strong level, okay, with all this pressure that this candle is bringing. All right, we could have the next candle to push down a little bit, all right, to come retrace this point here. That's if this candle closed this strong. You can have it come retrace back to this point here before a continuation to the upside. Okay, now you guys know I don't deal with direction. All right, what matters is just the small move in the market. All right, so the direction of this market, I don't know. I don't even know. Yeah, obviously you can see this is a downtrend, you know, the normal thing. But if you zoom out again, you know, go to 4 hour, I know that probably going to be seeing something else again. All right, here you can see it's temporary uptrend. Okay, but right here, this is an uptrend. All right, we have a major uptrend. Let's zoom out more. Okay, let's take this one out. All right, okay, this is a downtrend, uptrend, retracement of the uptrend. Man, this is possibly an uptrend. Price is probably going to continue up because because price hasn't taken out this high. Okay, this high has not been taken out, but we can see that price already made a retracement. Let's see, yeah, 0.5 retracement happened right here, and price pushed back up again and start rejecting. That's why I don't trade direction, because even if you know the direction, price will still move to where it wants to move to. So for now, temporarily, all right, price is on a downtrend. Okay, so this could just mean that price wants to have a retracement. Yes, 0.5 points right there, then continue down. Then if you're looking at it, depends on the perspective you're looking at this. So people are going to be saying head and shoulder right here, or invited head and shoulder, what they call it, right here, and say, okay, price has made head and shoulder, probably price going to continue up. All right, you know, and some people are going to say there's a break and retest right here. Price already touch here, break, come to retest, and price is breaking this point. So some people might decide to wait for price to break here, so that price will move, you know, all the way up here, come back to retrace here and push up. Regardless of what you use, all right, everything works. Just staying loyal to it and knowing, you know, everything deep, everything about it, on every single move, everything you do is very, very important. But for me, I don't trade break and retest or any other thing, so stay loyal to what we do. So that's the key level right there. So I expect some reaction at that point on GBP card. All right, let's go back to Euro CHF. If you have any pair you want me to check out, just send it to me, please. Okay, price made another level, so I'm going to push this one right here. Okay, let's check the feed. All right, let's see. So if price break this point here, I might probably be looking for entry. Just push this one here. All right, so you can calculate 3 point let's just do 3.5 pips. Just calculate it. Don't get in yet, guys. 3.5 pips. So if we have a break below this point here, we'll get into the trade. 3.5 pips. just calculate 3.5 pips. All right. $3.5 pips. We're not in yet, please. All right, someone said, which pair is this? I don't know. Is this video not clear? Let me see. With this Euro CHF, we are not in yet. It looks very clear here on my hand. All right, you just have to switch to higher quality. All right, this is Euro CHF, but we are not in yet. Okay, we're waiting for price to. All right, I'm going to move this one right here. Let's move it here and push this one up a little bit to let's push it there and push our stop loss up here. So now let's use 4.4 pips. We're not getting it yet. All right, 4.4 pips. You know, I told you guys it's not it's going to be mobile. All right, so we just continue to move it. Okay, as price continue to progress until we have a safe break. Okay. All right. So if we have a break, we'll get into this one. Okay, this candle is not ready. The bullish run continues. All right, the bullish run continues. All right, so this is a new candle. This candle is just 40 seconds hold, and it's pushing this deep up. All right, in the next 20 minutes we'll be able to know if this candle is going to hold this bullish push in the next 20 minutes, okay, or it will just be a week. All right, we will know that in the next 20 minutes. All right, but this strong push can be a week up, and it can be anything. All right, so I don't trust it until 20 minutes. So we'll see. We will see. Now I'm going to push this one, this guy. I'll push it right here. Let's push it here. Our entry level is going to be somewhere here. If price push there, we're not in yet. All right. So now we're having about 10 pips stop loss. We're not in yet. We're not in yet. 10 pips stop loss. Okay, let's see if price break below this point here, we'll get into the trade. So the reason why I tell you guys to always calculate the stop loss and just follow through immediately as price continue to progress or break any level, we calculate, because you know we are dealing with 1 minute time frame. All right, so price can break anytime. All right, and you want to get into the trade. You don't want to have a late entry. So that's the reason why it's always good for you to prepare for what you have at the moment. So this is what we have at the moment. Then you just calculate 10 pips euro CHF. We're not getting it yet. Let's calculate 10 pips. If price close below this point here, we'll get into the trade. If you have any question, just keep it coming. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe. This is the hunt. All right, this is the hunt where we make money for free. All right. Okay. Now, if you have any pair you want us to check, all right, drop that in the comments. Let's check it. If you have any pair you trade, you want to have the, what is it called now, the sentiment analysis of it, sentimental, send it out so I can give you my analysis. And please, if you're watching for the first time, this is the hunt, and if you're not part of the family, subscribe. Okay. So about the account flip that we're doing, all right, you guys see we've not traded GBP USD for this week at all. All right, so you can always do it on the pair, on any other pair. All right, that's the reason why I'm trying to be live. All right, I tried my best to be live today and yesterday. Okay, just to stick to the promise of giving something. All right, and you guys know it's been wonderful. All right, it's been an amazing session. All right, we're still on our winning streak for this week. Okay, so you can also do it. All right, you can also do your flip. You can do your flipping on whatever pair that we're trading. Okay, just do it, but please practice proper risk management. It's very important. Okay, the reason why I wanted us to use GBP/USD for the flip is because on GBP/USD I usually have, if I have a loss on my first trade, I have opportunity to get in again on my second trade for even a better risk to reward. Okay, and the chance that I'm going to lose those two trades is very, very slim. But you guys know on normal pair, Euro CHF, Euro USD, and GBP JPY, I just take one trade. Once we're able to take one trade, I don't trade again. All right, but GBP USD, I have the opportunity to trade again, and that's because of back testing. All right, we've seen every of the information on back testing. I've also tested it on other pairs, but it doesn't work as beautiful as it work on GBP USD. So that's the information I got from back testing. So that's the reason why, because of the second chance. All right, the plan B that we have, that's the reason why I'm saying that we should do it on GBP USD. Not that every other pair don't work. All right, they work beautifully, but just because of second chance. All right, that's the reason why. All right, so you guys can do this on the pairs. All right, you can do it on the pairs, anyone. All right, just come, like I've explained it before, how you should approach it. Okay, I'm also doing currently right now, which I'm going to show you guys the video probably this weekend. Just show you guys my account and how I approach it. Okay, but I've also explained the approach on Monday, how I plan to, how you should approach any flip challenge or any flip account. Okay, so maybe let's just go over that again so I can explain to you guys, so that when you want to get into trades and you want to flip, you know how to undo it. Okay, now first thing first is that based on the strategy I've explained, the TP levels, TP1, TP2, TP3, and the last TP, which is the TP4 that we have. Based on TP1 has 70% to 100% win rate. Okay, which means that if you're getting into 10 trades, all right, the chance that you're going to win 7 out of the 10 trades is very high. Okay, very, very high. All right, so that's it. If you want to choose TP1, just stay loyal to TP1. Okay, if you want to choose TP2, stay loyal to TP2. Want to choose TP3, TP4, whatever, just stay loyal to it. Okay, that's the way it works. All right, so TP2, the chance that it's going to work out, okay, is between 60% to 70%. Okay, why TP3? The more, all right, the farther you go, all right, the less the win rate. All right, but the more the risk to reward. Okay, if you understand risk to reward and win rate, you should be able to understand what I'm saying. Okay, the more the risk to reward, all right, the less the chance that the trade is going to work out when it comes to win rate. Now, we're not talking about one trade or two trades. We're talking about multiple trades. All right, multiple trades. That's what we're talking about. Okay, so let me give you an instance. Let's say you're getting into trades and you're scalping. All right, and you're having 5 pips stop loss, and your first take profit is, let's say, around 4 pips. Okay, the chance that the price, this is just an example, okay, the chance that the price is going to push to this point right here, all right, is higher compared to the chance that price is going to come to somewhere like this. Okay, so that's different. Price can just easily come back here and then continue up. All right, even if it's a pullback can just happen right here, and just the price just pull back to this point here and then continue its direction right here or whatever. But the chance that price is going to move all the way to this point here, that's going to probably mean that that's the major direction for the price, for price to be able to move this much. Now, it might not be the major direction on the higher time frame, but the chance that price is going to continue all the way down, all right, is slim compared to what this is just going to do. Okay, so that's different in TP levels. Now, I'm doing this because, all right, it is your choice, all right, based on your what is it called now, your patience level, all right, and your what English should I use now, based on based on you, all right, that's not the right English, but let's just use it that way. Based on you, what you can take, all right, because this live stream we've done it, we've waited for a particular take profit level, and we've seen some people say, why can't I just close my trade right here? Why do I need to leave the trade to go straight down? All right, why do I need to do this? Why do I need to do that? I've seen people do that, all right, say that. So that's the reason why I decided we have TP levels. Okay, so you just follow anyone you want to follow and stay loyal to it. All right, stay loyal to it. And there are other factors that can also affect your decision on TP levels. It can be your personal, if you have your own personal analysis. All right, if you've done your analysis and you're expecting price to get to a level, a particular level, and you are in on the trade, all right, your decision can influence where your TP level is going to be. Okay, so you can decide that whatever you want to do with that one. Okay, but just know the deeper the what is it called now, the deeper the take profit level, all right, the less likely that the trade is going to work often. It's just the truth, all right, it's just the truth. Okay, so that's just the way it works. But every TP levels works because there's a reason why I'm putting every TP levels. All right, there's a reason why price is at every single levels that you see the TP that I put my TP. There's a reason why I'm putting it right there. Okay, so if you stay loyal to 1 to 4 is to reward, you're still going to be profitable. All right, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, you'll be profitable. If you stay loyal to 1 to 3, you'll be profitable. If you stay loyal to 1 to 2, you'll be profitable. And even if you stay loyal to 1 to 1 risk to reward, you'll also be profitable. Okay, you're profitable on that too as well. Okay, so that's just the way it works. All right, so if you want to flip an account, all right, it depends on which area you want to, how much you are looking to make. If you're looking to double your account in a week, maybe you want to flip an account, you want to be trading on your small account, on your flip account every single time we're live, all right, then you might want to approach it with a little bit, of all right, of patience and and caution. All right, if you want to take it slow, you have the chance to take it slow. If you want to be aggressive, you have the chance to be aggressive. But the thing is just that when you are aggressive, you know what can happen. You can really make a lot of money, all right, very quickly, and you can lose a lot of money very quickly. All right, so that's just different. If you want to be aggressive, it's okay. All right, and if you want to be conservative, it's also very, very okay. Okay, now how much should you be flipping, and how much should you be thinking on flipping every single time? Okay, let me just show you. I've explained this on Monday, so let's just try to go over it again. Let's say peradventure you have $100. Now this $100 doesn't mean that is in your bank account. It can be that's the amount you have cash, all right, or is in bank accounts, or is in your trading account, and this is all you've got. All right, all you've got. Okay, this money, if you lose $50 from this money, that would be so bad. This is going to mess you up, because All right, now that also depends on how often you make money. All right, if you're the type of person who make $100 every day, and today you only have $100, all right, that will still be the problem if you lose the $100. All right, now the reason why I'm talking more on the losing aspect is just for you guys. I'm not saying there's not going to be win or we're not going to flip, but I'm just saying the losing aspect because I just want you guys to know that it is possible. All right, nobody can promise you 100% situation that you're going to flip. You're going to always make money in trading. All right, that would be absolute lie. Everybody lose. Everybody have some time they enjoy drawdown and all that. All right, so that's the reason why I'm just trying to like make you guys understand. All right, that some situation it can be a bad season. All right, so let's talk more on the losing aspects and start with that. Then we can go back to the winning aspect. You guys know I've done flip challenge several times. All right, and none of it you guys have seen that have been a loss. All right, so and the ones that I even do personally that I didn't make it out to the YouTube channel or whatever. All right, so I have a couple of it, but let's talk about the the aspect of losing first, right, before we go to the aspect of making money. All right, so if all you've got is $100, all right, and you don't make $100 often, all right, if this $100 is not often, before you can get the $100, it's probably going to take another 1 month or stuff. You don't want to be putting $50 in your trading account. Okay, you don't want to do that. All right, now it's okay. All right, you can put 60, you can put $100 in your trading account if you want to be very, very conservative. Now, how do you approach the $100? That's all you have. All right, there are two ways. You can either do flipping or you do the normal trading. All right, but before then, let's quickly adjust this guy. Okay, so let's put this one right here. Okay, we've made a new level now, so let's push this here and then let's have this here. Okay, so we're having about 8.2 pips on calculation. We're not getting in yet. All right, 8.2 pips on calculation. So if price break below this point here, I'll look to get into the trade. 8.2 pips on calculation. All right, so let's just continue to look how that goes. All right, so let's go back to the explanation. Okay, so the first way is going to let me give this one C, which is going to be you want to approach the $100 more conservatively. All right, now if you want to do it conservatively, that's normal active trading every day. Okay, the number one thing, if you want to follow this live stream, you want to trade based on what we do here on the live stream, I'm going to try to come on live every day for Monday to Friday for you guys, okay, so that we can do something every day. Okay, and if I'm not live, all right, I'll just call the trades out on Telegram channel, but I'll try to come live. All right, so if you want to be more conservative based on this live stream strategy, all right, I usually advise that you have 10 buy powers. Okay, well, you guys know what 10 buy powers means. All right, but if you're joining us for the first time, let me just explain. That's how much you can push the button and risk a particular percentage, all right, and survive, all right, or lose your capital. Okay, so if you lose 10 times consecutively, all right, would you still be able to have your account or not? Okay, so that's the point where you need to check your account balance and be able to determine your buy power. Determine your buy power. Buy power can also mean how many percentage you're risking every single time based on your account. Knowing how many percentage you can risk every single time based on your account, all right, and also comparing that to your strategy based on experience, what you have seen in the past. All right, what you have seen in the past, how long were you in that deep black hole, all right, that drawdown phase before you were able to get out of the drawdown phase? How long were you in that situation? Okay, How long were you in that situation? All right. So now, so based on this live stream strategy, all right, you're not going to get 10% consecutive drawdown, all right, 10 losses in a row. Now, I'm not saying it's not possible, but based on past results, you will never get that on this live stream. It's just the truth. You will never get that. All right, you will never get that. But if you're trying to target 1 to 4 risk to reward, it's not possible to as well. But if you're targeting 1 to 4 risk to reward, then you don't have to risk. You must not have 10 buy power. If you're trying to target the highest risk to reward, okay, on every single trade, you want to push it back. The highest risk to reward, all right, as highest recorded I've seen for drawdown is 7. Yes, and again, it's very profitable. Yes, very profitable, because you're doing 1 to 3.5%, 1 to 3%, okay, 1 to 3 risk to reward, okay, 1 to 3.5, 1 to 4, all right, sometimes. So if you're able to, if you lose 7 trades, all right, and you're able to win 3, these 3 is probably going to be 9 to 10% sometimes. Why this 7 is just going to be 7 losses, all right. That's if you don't manage trades, all right. I also manage trades, all right. Now if you don't manage, let's just be plain, if you don't manage, if you lose 7 trades and you're able to win just 3, what do you have? You're going to have 10% in profit, all right. You will be having 10% in profit, and then you will have 7% in loss. At the end of the day, if you remove 7 from 10, you still be left with 3% in profit. So yes, you can have 7% consecutive losses. Now that's rare, very rare, but that's not impossible. Okay, that can happen. Now if you want to target that point, you want to increase your buy power. What I do most times is I just multiply the buy power by 3 or by 2, conservatively by 3, all right, and aggressive by 2. That's the way I do it. Okay, that's for if you want to target full TP. Now if you want to do, like I've said before, if you want to do 1 to 1, if you want to do TP1, TP2, all those ones, all right, the higher you go, all right, the more the risk, the lesser the chance of, you know, having 7% consecutive losses. All right, now I'm seeing something right here. Let's see. Now I don't like this. Okay, we have about 3.7 pips. Okay, so I can get into this trade, but nothing yet, guys. Just calculate, guys, calculate 3 points. Let's say about 4 pips. 4 pips. When that candle close, you can get into the trade. 4 pips. 4 pips. When the candle close, you can get into the trade. 4 pips. Yes, you can get into the trade right now. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Yeah. I'm not even in yet. Let's see. What do you want to do? I'm in. Let me just get in. So even if this one is a loss, I won't lose up to the amount I'm supposed to lose. Okay. Now the stop loss should be above right here. This is the stop loss point right there. Okay. That's the stop loss. Okay. Stop loss right here. Let's see. That was fast. Okay. Price pushing back up again. Let's see if it tap here. I'm out. Let's see if it taps there. I'm out. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, price is moving down now. Okay. Are you going to continue this? I have a very good entry point. I think I got into the trade somewhere here. I got into the trade somewhere there. Now I don't like this move. Okay, but let's just chill. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Now I don't want to pull back up. All right, if price continue up now, it's probably just going to go stop us out. I really want a continuation down. That would be so sweet. 93715. 93715. Okay. That's gonna be our TP1 right here. I mean, the stop loss is gonna be up there. Okay. Should be the TP2. Should be the TP3. And that will be the full TP right there. Okay. Now, hopefully we don't get kicked out, all right, because this is an impulsive move right here, and you guys can see, all right, if we have an impulsive move here, this point here is a retracement. This thing happening right here is a retracement, and with this retracement, price can just continue back up. Now, if this is a retracement, it's a confirmed retracement, price can easily just continue to the upper side. But if we have a break of that and price is able to break below this point here, price will just probably continue to the downside. So right now we are on an hot seat. Okay, on a very hot seat right now. But let's see guys, let's see. Let's see. We need price to break below this point here and continue down. If you can have that, that would be so sweet. Okay, price at the level it was before. Okay, so let's see. If we have a tap, that will be bad. But if we can have a strong push down right here, that would be good. I really want price to come take out this level and this level. If we can do that before the top of this high here, then we should be good. But now it's not looking at like it. All right, so anything can happen. All right. Okay, what do you want to do, boy? Stop messing around. Okay, we got tapped. All right, I'm out of this trade right now. Okay. So this is our first loss for the week. Okay, I'm not really losing that much. All right, I'm losing very little. This is like, all right, usually I risk 1%, so I'm losing just about 0.20%. 0.20, yes, 0.20. And that's because of the late entry. Okay, so all right, that's because of the late entry. It's okay, it's all good. It's all good, guys, it's all good. All right, but everything was right. All right, today is a losing day. Now let's edit this guy. Let's change it to now someone said I'm coming. Let's quickly edit this guy. Let's change it to 8. Alright. Let's change that to 8. Okay. Okay, now the push I was expecting. All right, this was the push I was expecting. Okay, it started happening right here. Okay, that was the push I was expecting. Are you guys ready? Nope. Okay, GU and EU, both of these are not ready. They're not ready. Okay. Okay, someone said for AUD card, what do you say? We'll have to check it out. I don't trade AUD card, so we have to check it out. Someone said which pair? Which pair? I don't understand. This 0CHF, said it. I said 0CHF countless times. I've said it. Now, what can we learn from this? Let's talk about it. Alright, someone said the screen is not clear. Please use higher quality because it's clearer here. Because I'm streaming this also with my other phone, so I'm just trying to see if it's clear. I just checked now and it was clear enough. Let me see again. Yeah, it was clear enough. It was clear enough. It was clear enough. And yes, you took a stop loss, both took it. All right, we both took it. We both got stopped. All right, guys, what can we learn right here? Okay, everything looks good, no issue, no nothing. All right, it's just the normal thing we see. Okay, I don't really have much to learn after a trade. Okay, I don't really have much to learn from it. All right, the only time that I won't be happy if I do something that is not part of my system. That's the only time I will not be happy. Okay, even if the trade goes well, I won't be happy. But for me, I don't really learn. All right, of course, people say when you have a losing trade, you should have something to learn from it and all that. I don't learn anything from a losing trade. It's just the truth. I don't learn anything as long as I'm doing the same thing that I do normally. All right, I just leave the rest to the market because the market will do what it wants to do. All right, nobody controls it. We don't control it. All right, so we just let it do its thing and we just go from there. All right, so this is a loss. If you're joining us for the first time, we just took a loss. All right, we just took a loss. All right, and this is our third trade for the week. Okay, and this is our first loss for the week. Okay, so it is what it is. Anyways, all right, for price being here, all right, doesn't mean that price will still not go down. All right, like I told you guys, we don't really do direction. Okay, we don't really do direction. All right, so right here I was just waiting for a little pullback to happen. All right, somewhere here or full TP. All right, you can never tell the exact place the TP is going to. All right, the market will reverse through. All right, you can never tell how long it's going to push. All right, that's the reason why we have multiple TPs now, the realistic places where price can push to. All right, so that's this level right here. Now another thing we can see right here is that the key level has been broken now. I told you guys before that if we have the push that this candle was making, that if the push was able to hold till the next 20 minutes, all right, that the push is going to be a true push. Okay, and now this bullish candle that we have here is a true bullish candle. All right, because right now we're having about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's a true bullish candle right there. Okay, so we could have a continuation now. Price might just continue to push up right now. Okay, you guys also see yesterday, you know, after we hit TP, price push back up to this point here and continue to push. All right, at the end of the day, all these guys right here were all like fake out, or what do they call it, institution, what is it called now, liquidity grab. All right, so everybody that is buying, all right, breakout right here after this bullish candle or this one, they were all stopped out. Okay, and then the people who are also selling, were the first people to get stopped out. You can see what we have right here. Okay, let's take a look at the candle. right here. The first one was a doji. All right, a lot of people probably got into the trade and they all got stopped out. Okay, this doji form again, they might probably get in again, got stopped out. The people who are buying at this point here after the price printed a doji again, we are all stopped out. All right, so I think that's liquidity or institution trying to grab people's money. All right, right there. Okay, so I think this is going to be the true break of Euro CHF of this key level right here. Yeah, this is going to be the true break of Euro CHF right there, because if price won't break right here, if there's not going to be like a continuation after we have this liquidity grab, price is not supposed to still continue to come here to break above this point here. Price is supposed to go down because all the money has been taken right here, so there's no point going back again to take the money again. All right, so it is what it is right here. So I think this is going to be like the break has finally happened. All right, so I'm not going to be getting into Euro CHF again today. All right, I'm done with Euro CHF today. We'll try again tomorrow. Okay, we'll try again on Euro CHF tomorrow. Okay, but we have chance of trading GBP USD. That's when GBP USD tap this point right here. Also right here too, we want price to get here on Euro USD so that we can get into the trade. Okay, now let me finish my I was actually talking about something before. Let's finish talking about it. Okay, so now if you have if you're planning on trading it conservatively, if you're planning on conservative trading, all right, you want to take the $100. Yeah, you can put the $100 if you have the $100 to put in your account, if you don't have any other bills. All right, and that's if you are sure that you're not going to blow it. All right, some people cannot put money in their account because as long as the money is in the trading account, they will blow the account. All right, so but if you're sure that you're not going to blow the account, you're disciplined enough, all right, you can put $80, you can put whatever amount. Okay, now why you have to put that much money from all the money you have into a trading account is because number one, you have the discipline. Number two, you can practice proper risk management. All right, proper risk management in the sense that even if you have your buy power to be conservative at 10, you cannot still risk $10 per trade if this is all you've got. All right, you can go to do $2, $3. That's the highest you can do. Just do $3 on your personal account. That's what you can do because that's all you've got. All right, so $2, $3, $4 will make sense to someone who only have just $100. Okay, if you can make $3, $5 every week, it will make a lot of sense to somebody who just have only just $100 in their account. All right, so conservatively, if you want to trade your personal account, you can do this. Just put $100 in your account and start risking just $3 or $2 of your account. Don't even go as high as $5. Don't even do that. Just do $2 or $3 of your account. Okay, because that will give you more room. All right, more room, and that will also kill your emotions. All right, don't be greedy. All right, just kill the emotions and just trade it conservatively, and it's just going to be plus. All right, because there's good. If you have a good system now, all right, it's not going to be a system that doesn't work. It's a good system, right? So if it's a good system, then you're expecting to make money every month or every week. Okay, you're expected to make money. So if it's a good system, it's going to be a win-win for you. All right, but what you can do, all right, in order not to mess your emotions up, in order not to mess yourself up emotionally, what you can do is just to practice proper risk management. Right, that situation where you are placing trades and you're not feeling anything, the situation where you are placing trades where you are losing a trade and you don't feel anything at all, that's when you are practicing proper risk management. But situation where you get into trades and you're just so scared, and you feel scared and you're looking at the chart, you're wanting the trade to work out and all that, that means you're doing something wrong. Okay, you're definitely doing something wrong if you feel that way. Okay, so if you're risking $1 out of $100, that won't actually bother you. It won't even affect you. Okay, even if you're risking $2, it will not bother you at all. All right, that's the situation. That's when you're practicing proper risk management, when you don't feel anything. That way you get to keep your good emotions, and also you get to let trades run. You get to let your trade do its thing without, you know, letting your emotion to get in the way. All right, so that's the way it works. Okay, so if you want to do it conservatively and that's $100, that's the best thing you need to do. Okay, now if you still want to do it conservatively and you want to flip an account, let's say you're doing conservatively and you want to flip an account. Okay, if you're trading personally, risk $3. All right, now if you're doing account flip, all right, you must make sure that you're not putting more than $10 in your account, in your flipping account, from this $100. Okay, so if you want to flip and you have $100, just only put $10. Never put $50. Never put $20. Okay, but also that also depends on your risk tolerance. All right, if you are the type of person who you have the $100 but you don't mind, you know, just throwing it away, which is not good. All right, is not good. All right, if I'm to give you a financial advice, it's not good. All right, because every money that you make, all right, has a big value. All right, counts. Every single penny you make counts. All right, so all you have counts. All right, so you don't just waste money. All right, you don't just waste money. So if you want to flip, just put $10 in your account from this $100, then try to flip it. Now if you're flipping this one, you know that when you're taking the $10 out of this $100 and this money is just remaining $90, you should know that this $10 you're putting into your account is money you're willing to lose. All right, so just take it as, oh, this $10 is gone. All right, whenever you take it out, know that it's gone. Okay, just know that $10 is gone. Okay, then you just flip it. And now that when you're flipping, there's also two ways you can do flipping. You can flip conservatively and you can flip aggressively. Okay, most of the flipping that I do is aggressive because the amount I'm using to flip is very small. Okay, if I want to flip a $10,000 account, okay, it's going to be way different from the way I'm going to flip a $100 account or a $10 account. That would be way different. Okay, I might flip this guy or flip this guy. All right, sorry, let's remove this one, or flip this guy. Okay, and not use FS calculator. I might not calculate how much. I might just go full margin on this these guys. All right, because the moment I deposit this money into the account, I already know that, oh, if anything happens to the money, all right, it won't affect me that much. But if anything happens to these guys, all right, if I put this guy right here, if anything happens to it, I'm gonna feel it. All right, that's it. That's just the truth. All right, you're gonna feel it. Okay, so that's the reason that there's an aggressive way and there's a normal way. Okay, so if you have $100 and you're putting $10 into a flip challenge, you can either do it conservatively, which I would still recommend conservatively. All right, I would still recommend that you do it conservatively. All right, instead of doing it aggressively, I would still recommend doing it conservatively. Okay, so if you do it conservatively, all right, if you do it conservatively, which means that if you're trading based on the strategy that we're using on the live stream, what we are doing on the live stream, if you're trading it based on that, our conservative is going to be 4. All right, before you have 4 losses in a row, because you will need to have now 4 losses in a row before you can blow this account. That is, you're going to be risking how much? That's $2.5 per trade. Okay, if you're risking $2.5 per trade on this account, that's conservative. Before you have 4 consecutive losses, all right, that will be rare. That will be a very rare case for us to have 4 conservative losses. Okay, it will be a very rare case for us to have 4 conservative losses. All right, now I'm not saying it can't happen. It can happen, but that's going to be very, very rare. All right, so it's conservatively, you're trading it conservatively. But if you want to be aggressive, now you can have 2. Okay, which means that if you take 2 trades successfully, or you take 1 successfully, all right, you can easily just, you know, double the account, or just take it to 50% on just 1 trade. Okay, you can easily take it to 50% on just 1 trade. Okay, and you can also easily just double it in just 1 trade. Okay, so that's it. But if you're being conservative, that means you have to get into 2 or 3 or 4 trades before you'll be able to flip it. So that's the way it works. So now it depends on your, you know, your risk tolerance, all right, and your account balance, what you have in your account. Okay, now you guys can see price is pushing down now. This is what I expected. All right, this is what I wanted to happen right here. Okay, immediately you can see price already broke below this guy, and we got pin out right here. Okay, all right, so now if you have the $100 and you want to, if you have the $100 and you want to be aggressive with the $100, let's say you have the $100, but you can make money, you can easily make the $100 back, and you want to trade the $100 aggressively, it's also good. Or probably you have more than $100 in your account, you have more, so you don't mind losing the $100. Okay, if you want to flip, you can decide to go for $50 from the $100. That's if you don't mind losing the $100. All right, and this one too is also, you know, subdivided. You can choose conservative or aggressive. Conservative is having just 4 buy power, right? While aggressive is having just 2 buy power. All right, so that's just the way it works. All right, so that's the way money works. All right, that's the way trading works. You just have to be patient with it, you know, be patient and give it time for it to play out. Okay, you can really make a lot of money in trading, a lot of money in trading, and also you can lose a lot of money in trading. All right, there were times that it was as if I was paying, it was just as if I was paying thrift, or what do they call it? Yeah, thrift to the market every single time I get my payout, my paycheck for my work. I just come to come and dash the market every time. All right, but actually if you stick to one thing, and you just stay loyal to it, trust me, all right, trust me, you're gonna make money. Okay, that's the reason why that 1 loss or 2 losses does not really bother me. Now if you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe, join the family. All right, join the family. Okay, so that's it. If you have 1 loss, 2 losses, you know, it doesn't bother, because you know that at the end of the week we've basically had, all right, there are some people who are connected to me right here. I don't know if you're connected to me, just give me a signal. If your account is connected to my account, just give me a signal. You guys know. All right, okay, let's wait, maybe somebody will give us a signal. Okay, that's why you see that we've been having consecutive gains every week. All right, so when you have 1 loss or whatever, it doesn't really matter. Okay, it doesn't really matter. All right, that's it. So guys, I'm waiting for price to get to this point right here on GBP Euro USD, and we will see. And someone said we should check, let me see, AUD card. All right, let's quickly check AUD card. If you have any questions, please keep it coming. AUD card. First thing first, I can see this is very strong level right here, and then nope. All right, so AUD card, I'll wait for price to get here, before I look to sell. Okay, that's going to be my strong level based on 1 hour time frame. Okay, maybe if I go to 4 hour time frame, I might probably see something else, but based on 1 hour, that's what we can see. All right, that's what I can see right there. Okay, I'll wait for price to get to this point here, then we look to go short. Okay. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, if you haven't signed up with the broker with a very tight spread, use the link in the show box below to do that. All right, use the link in the show box below to do that. Okay, zero spread account broker, use the link. And if you're looking for PROPFIRM that gives you very tight spread and also low commission, you can, and very cheap, you can use funding pips. I also have another one right there too that helps you to protect your account and all that, and also have tight spread. It's Blue Guardian. All right, you can check them out too as well. All right, everything is on the show box below. All right, every information you need is on the show box below. Okay, so let's call today a wrap. All right, and then let's call this live stream a wrap right here. Then I'll update you guys on what is going to happen, all right, on these two pair. Okay, I will also screenshot this, all right, and share it with you guys on the Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, this is the moment where you subscribe. All right, this is the place where we make money right here. All right, so subscribe and join the family, and you can join the Telegram channel so that you can get, you know, more closer, right, to us, all right, to the trading community, so you can always know when we are getting into trade, when we are going live, and also when we are getting into trades offline. All right, so it was nice having you guys. Thank you guys for coming, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys. I will update you guys on the Telegram channel. All right.